A lot of homeowners are excited about the CalHFA grant program. They're giving up to $40,000 grants to homeowners to help offset the cost of building an accessory dwelling unit. It's a really exciting program and it just launched in the past few weeks. So in this video, we're going to tell you all the most important information that you need to know to be able to take advantage of this program. So first, how does it work? So how it works is you have to work with an approved lender through the CalHFA program. You can't just work with any old lender, and unfortunately, as of right now, you can't be planning to pay for your ADU with cash. So you're going to need to take out a construction loan. So what happens is you'll apply for your application with a lender, and once you get your loan approval, your lender will be able to work with you to start your soft costs. So the soft costs of your project are going to be your design fees, your permit fees, a soils report, impact fees, any pre-project planning. All of the receipts for those fees are going to be kept and sent as an application to CalHFA, who will then be able to approve it and reimburse you for those particular fees. So for example, Maxable offers pre-project planning as part of our Maxable Pro program, and that can be reimbursed by the CalHFA grant. So next you need to know if you're going to qualify. So they do have income thresholds to understand if you would qualify for this loan. It's not just everyone, but the income thresholds are fairly lenient. And so I think a lot of homeowners are going to end up qualifying. We have a full list on our website of all the income thresholds in the different counties throughout California. And so you can click the link below to be able to see if you would qualify for that. Just to give you an idea, for example, in San Francisco, you can make up to $300,000 and still qualify for the CalHFA grant. Now, the important thing to keep in mind though there is that it's not household income, it's the per individual that's applying for the loan. So it's not that you and your partner make $300,000, it's a single person makes $300,000. Now, the next thing we need to know about it is because this is a construction loan, most of the lenders in the program are going to require a first position on the primary. What that means is that after you finish your ADU project, your construction loan is going to force you to refinance your primary mortgage. Now, for most people, especially in today's interest rate environment, that's going to be a deal breaker. Why would you want to get a $40,000 grant to ultimately have your interest rate potentially rise 4 points? Now, here's the important news, and this is part of what we want to help homeowners navigate to make sure they get this process right. There are a couple lenders that are willing to take second position construction loans. What that means is that you're not required to refinance your primary mortgage at the end of your ADU process. So that's a really, really important thing to know because I don't want you to mess up having locked in an amazingly low mortgage rate. So if you're interested in needing help kind of navigating this whole process with your pre-project planning, your site evaluations and all that, head to MaxableSpace.com. Not only do we have a ton of free resources available to you, but we also have a Maxable Pro service where we can help you navigate all of this one-on-one, and our fees can be reimbursed by, you guessed it, the CalHFA grant.